I've just found an absolute treasure trove of Wii goodies. Hello my fellow nerds, my name is Jamie and I'm just trying to live my best nerd life. Now I'm no stranger to charity shops, in fact I try and go at least once every 2 weeks, and recently I hit the jackpot. As you could probably tell from my intro, I managed to find an absolutely massive plastic tub of Wii goodies, and I got it all for £25. Got it from Ashgate Hospicecare, which is an absolutely fantastic charity. I would absolutely recommend donating to them or shopping in any of their shops. So yeah, that's my plug for them. So on this card it said I should have got 1 Wii console, 1 remote, 1 nunchuck, 2 dumbbell cases, 1 balance board and 4 games. And I did get all of those things, but I also got an extra few little bits as well. So without further ado, let's have a look at the things that I got. Okay, first off, this is the biggest thing. It is the Wii board. I haven't tested it at all. I think it has batteries. It does have batteries, which is a positive thing. Hopefully they are fully charged, or at least have some charge, and hopefully the entire thing works. On to the other goodies. Now this is, I think it's a stand for the console. Cool, why not? Oof. Okay, let's get the wires out of the way. Power brick, which is essential for running your console. The sensor bar, with all the massive amounts of wire in it. Yeah, we got the whatever this is, the AV cable, I think. A Nokia cable. Okay, I didn't know that existed. I didn't know that was in there, so yeah, an extra cable for me. Okay, games. So yeah, in actuality I got 5 games, but this one, which is Disney Sing It Family Hits, doesn't have one of those big white cases, so it's better than nothing, but yeah, not disappointed at all. Next we got ABBA You Can Dance, Michael Jackson The Experience, All Star Cheerleader 2, and this is actually sealed. Obviously this would be, you know, worth an absolute fortune, and I'm not going to open it at all. That'd be great, wouldn't it? And then Wii Fit Plus, which is obviously to go with the balance board. The person that donated this was definitely a fitness freak, and there is more evidence of that later on. So yeah, this is the console. Obviously it's the black edition, as you can see. It does have the ports on the top for the GameCube controllers, which is great because I want to try and get some GameCube games and controllers to test it out. And to be honest, it's a bit bad. You probably can't see it on camera, but there's a lot of scuffs and stuff, so I'm gonna have to try and clean that up. Hopefully it'll all buff out. When I got it, this top bit was actually broken off. It didn't really bother me because, you know, it's easily replaceable, and I was actually able to go to my local game shop where they have a absolute ton of broken Wiis, and I was like, hey, can I buy one of these flaps for like £1 or something? And they're like, yeah, why not, we'll get you one. And yeah, fixed it just like that. Even though it didn't come with an official Wii box, it still came with an absolute ton of documentation, including this Wii Fit Plus booklet and a cleaning cloth still in the packet. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And just all kinds of different setup things and all manner of just random things. I can't believe how much. A balance board manual. Yeah, I mean, they seem to really keep their stuff together, whoever donated it, which is really nice. Makes my job a lot easier. Okay, just a few more random things. 2 wide microphones, why not? I guess they have to use that for Sing It, you know? Okay, oh, we got the remote and nunchuck thing. It's flashing, which is positive. So yeah, it's got batteries, and those batteries do work, so that is a positive thing. Is it a SCART cable? I think it is. Yeah, one of those. We got a, oh yeah, it's one of those adapters, whatever they are. I don't need to use that, my TV doesn't have that pin set up, I know. don't know what that is. Does that stand for the Wii? I don't know. If any of you guys in the comments want to actually kind of school me a little bit about what these things are, by all means, please do. Leave me a comment. But yeah, I also got two grips. This is the standard one, and then this is the one that has room for the, is it Motion Plus adapter that you kind of plug in. And yeah, there's also this thing which I didn't notice until now, and I believe this is a mount for the Wii sensor to kind of sit on. So many random things in this box, I can't believe it. And then last but not least, we have the dumbbells, and these are £2 each, as in the weight pounds, not price. And yeah, you just fit the controllers in there nice and snugly and add some extra weight to it. I didn't even know these things existed until today. There's so many adapters and accessories for the Wii, it's incredible. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching my, I want to say unboxing video, but it's not really, I don't know. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then by all means, drop me a like, post me a comment, share with your friends, and it would really help me if you subscribe to this channel. Any kind of feedback is absolutely fantastic, and as always, thank you very much for watching.